Hi guys, welcome to Werribee Nissan. This is Vince. I just want to introduce you to this beautiful off-road vehicle. A Landcruiser Prado. Yes. Automatic 3-liter turbo diesel. One of the best diesel engine never made it. 32,990 drove away. Tinted windows, standard. Side step, standard. Look at this car. Plenty of room. You can tow, you can take the car away for family holiday. It's ready to go off-road. It's got all-terrain tires as well. It's got a tow bar. In perfect condition, drives beautifully. Full service history, one owner. Every single service done for a Toyota dealer. Look at that. Come and drive this car. It won't last long.